Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Vercel to manage SEO preview deployments step by step clearly. To authorize Vercel to manage SEO preview deployments, begin by logging into your Vercel account. Navigate to your project dashboard once logged in. Click on the project you wish to configure. In the project overview, find and select the Settings tab. Scroll down to the Integrations section. Locate the SEO Preview Integration option. Click on Add Integration to initiate the authorization process. You will be prompted to grant permissions for the integration. Review the permissions requested by the integration carefully. If you agree, proceed by clicking on the Authorize button. Once authorized, you will receive a confirmation message. Return to your project settings to configure the SEO preview settings. Select the Preview tab within the Settings menu. Here, you can customize your preview deployment options. Set up the appropriate branch or version for the SEO preview. Ensure that your deployment settings align with your SEO strategy. After completing your configuration, save your changes. Your Vercel integration for SEO preview deployments is now fully authorized. You can start using it to improve your project's SEO testing and visibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.